I just got this base station together over here. It took a little work. And it's probably my... Appreciate the flowers, man. Keep some for yourself. Hey, Warlord, your Watchmaker. Northwest Florida, got down. Warlord, I got you. I'll check it out. No two ways about it, buddy. I appreciate that very much. You take care out there. Happy Father's Day coming up, and have yourself a good summer out there. Hey, Warlord, Watchmaker right back. MadMax calling everybody out. MadMax, I think 301 disappearing over there in the Bighorn. MadMax, your Watchmaker, Northwest Florida. Ended up in the mix somewhere. MadMax out there around Texas. Oh, Alabama ass beater rocking them way off. Down there, Warlord. 410. I heard MadMax in there. He's coming in pretty good, but heard you come in there too. Real nice.
How about it, Watchmaker? How about it, Watchmaker 576?
I'm just running this 6-element Moron made. 6-element Moron made. Yeah, it's a pretty nice antenna. I'm real impressed, and I'm blessed to have it. Hey, Warlord, your Watchmaker right back.
Wi-Fi 1-3.
I appreciate it, Warlord. You got that down over there too, man. Doing a real nice job, and it's an absolute pleasure to bump it down with somebody on the radio. I'm a blessed person. So good to meet you. Cali. Hey, Warlord, your Watchmaker, Northwest Florida.
Hey, Watchmaker, turn that moron made one time. Get up in the ear hole. Let's go.
Tell them, take care, Warlord. Take care, Warlord. Oh, Alabama, Max, I heard you in there too. Over there, Alabama, ass beater, you pulled it out.
About a 2020 Facebook camera. About that 2020 Facebook camera 576.
I think 2020's hammer just quit on him. I think 2020 HotRod, its hammer quit working on him. Alabama ass beater, getting on down.
Hammer quit working on you? 2020, did your hammer quit working?
813 on side, that's good. Hey, wood, bye-bye.
I got it all because you said it on 2020 hours.
Hell, I don't know how many
I can hear you. I'm glad you're Facebook.
minutes to an hour or whatever there. I done lost count. But yeah, I think 2020